Hi, my name is Somtomachmi. I'm a safety officer. I work in the QHSE department of Joplex Tech Limited. So basically what we do in QHSE department is that we support the various business units to make sure that all our operations, both at the base, our facility, and in the client locations are carried out in a safe manner. Alright, so basically we ensure that we use a safe systems of work in place to carry out all our activities. We'll talk about toolbox meeting, job hazard analysis, and permit to work for critical jobs like crane, lifting operations involving crane, forklift, loading of guns, and pressure testing and spooling as well. All right, so at Joplex, we have developed a strategy, what we call a strategy for safe and quality work. We can see it over here where we believe that starting work is not the first step, right? So there are things you need to put in place before the work can go on to ensure the quality of service and safety of personnel, right? So we need to plan your job first. What do you want to do? What is the scope? What will you require? What are the resources that you require, right? When you plan, then you communicate to relevant stakeholders, okay? You communicate to your team members the scope of the job and also where we need additional support from so that they can know how to input or support the task at hand. Then you check your equipment to know whether they are fit for purpose, they are in good working conditions, also whether they are appropriate and adequate for the particular task that you want to carry out, okay? Then you prepare the work area, you get rid of every safe, unsafe condition or hazard that may be in the environment. You do your housekeeping, you clear the environment, and then you control energy. This may not apply in all jobs, but for critical operations like maintenance of certain equipment or facilities or units that require you to control your energy, you control it. You make use of a simple acronym we call LOTOTO. You lock out, you tag out, and then you test out. Normally before we used to use only lock out and tag out, but introduce test out to make sure that the locks that you're put in place are actually holding. All right, so you do your final check, make sure everything is okay, and then the work can resume. We believe that if you apply these 7 simple steps, we can achieve a quality service and in a safe way. All right, so we basically have one mission is to achieve goal 0, but we distill that mission into 3 different goals. Our goal is tripartite: to achieve 0 incidents to personnel, 0 incident or 0 injury to personnel, to achieve 0 damage to the environment, and also to achieve 0 damage to the equipment. So that's basically what we do at Joplex Tech Limited. All right, so talking about how the management supports us, basically management supports us by putting their weight around what we do. We have a HSE policy that is signed by the MD himself. All right, so also have a stop-work policy that is also endorsed by the MD himself. Anybody in Joplex has the authority to stop work if he knows that the job is not going on in a safe manner, right? Without any fear of punishment whatsoever. Once the job is stopped, then we reassess the job, put more controls in place, and then the safety department can give a green light for the job to continue again. Okay, so they also provide resources in terms of personal protective equipment. As you can see over here, we don't allow personnel to work without the use of PPE. PPE is short for personal protective equipment. You can also take it backwards to mean equipment protecting personnel, right? It's your last line of defense when all the measures you put in place to prevent hazard actually fails. All right, so we're talking about the next 5 years where we see Joplex. We already have 5 rigs. Out of those rigs, you have 3 functional rigs. All right, so where I see Joplex in the next 5 years, I see us owning oil wells.